Hey everybody, this is Harjo here from imhu.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to create my squeeze page and have it deployed on my domain name in minutes. Okay, so right now let's get on to the Captifire squeeze page builder. Okay, so as you can see here, I already have my email address and password. So I just click login. Okay, so once I'm in the page, the landing page of the page builder, so what I need to do first is I just need to create a new page, and it will take me to all the templates that I can choose in minutes. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, in this example, I'll be showing you an example of a squeeze page that offers a free report. So let me create the page right now. So I just simply click one of the template here. So waiting for it to be downloaded. So once it has been downloaded, so here is how it's going to look like. Okay, so in this case, this quiz page actually offers 3 different lead magnets or free report. So I'm not going to edit any of this because this is just an example, but I'm going to edit perhaps the e-cover here, since I've already created earlier in my previous video. So I just upload the image here and I just click on Facebook e-cover, and once it is fully uploaded, I just click on insert image. Okay, so I just scale it down a bit and move it right here, and same goes to Twitter. I just double click the mark here and I just click on upload, and I just hit Twitter and click open. So okay, it has been fully downloaded, fully uploaded. So I just scale it down a bit and resize it and move it here. Same goes to YouTube. Just double click here and just click upload and click on YouTube. So once it's fully uploaded, I just click insert image and scale it down as well. So once I have all this squeeze page follow up ready, okay, everything is ready. So if I want to view it in mobile to see how it's going to look like in mobile, so I just click the button here, the icon here, and I can also choose whether or not to display all 3 or perhaps just one of it. Okay, so it's up to you. You can choose any of this. Even if you don't want a headline, so you just uncheck the box, so it will only show 3 icons like this. Okay, so I'm going to click edit again. Then I'm going to click save. So once I've saved the template, I click close, and the page is ready, so I can view it here. Okay, so your page is ready in minutes, but right now it's showing in your temporary domain. Okay, so what I want to show, what I'm going to show you is how to actually deploy it, how to actually point it to your domain name. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you an example of, okay, for instance, right now I'm going to log into my GoDaddy. This is one of my account, so I just click sign in. Okay, so I just click Nizam Marjo and my password here. Click sign in. Oh, there's something wrong here. Let me just retype it again. Click enter. Okay, so now I'm in my account page. Okay, so GoDaddy is where I buy my domains. It is just one of my account that I used to get my hosting up and my domain as well. So I also have other accounts, but I'm just going to show you an example here. I'm going to take GoDaddy as an example because most of people out there, used to have this account apart from Namecheap and other big accounts to get their domain bought. So here, I just click my name and I just click manage my domains, and it will take me to all the domains that I have bought with GoDaddy. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to show you an example. Let's say if I want my first domain, which is affiliate with JVZoo, okay, and I want this domain to host my squeeze page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click affiliatewithjvzoo.com, okay, as an example here. So I just click on DNS zone file, okay. Okay, so here's a list of different items, different sections that we have here. So you don't have to look at all these other sections. All you need to do is just go to a host. So if you have other companies that you have your hosting and domains up, so what you can do is you just need to go to your account and find a host to add a new record. Okay, for instance, right now I'm in affiliatewithjvzoo.com records. So I just click add record for a host right here. Okay, I just click a host. Okay, so okay, I can put any names I want. For instance, okay, this is for subdomains. So if let's say I want a free report as my name, as my subdomain. So what, how it's going to show up in your domain is it's going to be showing as freereport.affiliatewithjvzoo.com. Okay, same. Likewise, if let's say if you want offer, for instance, if you want offer to be your subdomain name, so you will have offer.affiliatewithjvzoo.com that will show up your squeeze page. So in this case, okay, I'm gonna just create offer as the name for my subdomain. So this point 2, you need to click on wish loop, click on Captifire, and click on custom domains. So once you are here, as you can see on the right side, there's this type A, the name is pages, value is the number here. Okay, pages is just an example. So what you need to take is you need to copy this number here. Okay, you need to copy the IP address, click command copy or control copy, go back to GoDaddy and just paste it here. Okay, and TTL is where you want your, how long you want your subdomain to be propagated. For instance, if let's say half an hour, if I click half an hour, then within half an hour, in a half an hour time, I will have my offer.affiliatewithjvzoo.com propagated. So the name is ready to be used, and you can redirect it after half an hour. Likewise, if you click on custom, if you want it to be shorter, then you just click on, if let's say I want it to be in 10 minutes, so I just click 600 seconds. So within 10 minutes or after 10 minutes, it will be propagated and I can redirect my domain here. So I'm going to show you an example. Okay, let's say I click finish. So after 10 minutes, your subdomain is ready to be used. So this is the example. Okay, as you can see here, I've just created offer with the new IP address that I got from here. Okay, and the time is 600 seconds for it to be propagated. Okay, so now I just click save changes. Okay. Same goes if I don't want any subdomain. Okay, if I don't want offer.affiliate.jvzoo.com or coupon.affiliatewithjvzoo.com, I want the main domain itself to host my squeeze page. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm just going to show you another example. All I have to do is I just click on edit record. So as you can see, there is alias here. So this represents your main domain name, which is affiliate with JVZoo.com. So with this host, as you can see here, your squeeze page will be www.affiliatewithjvzoo.com / the name of the squeeze page. So as you can see here, if you want to host your domain, if you want to host your squeeze page on your main domain and not your subdomain, then this is the record that you need to edit, and you just need to point to the IP address that I've just copied just now. Okay, and after 10 minutes, you can use it right away. So you just click finish and click on save changes, and there you go. You will have your main domain pointing to this IP address where your squeeze pages are. Okay, so this is just an example, so I'm not going to wait for 10 minutes to show you. So I already have a domain that is already set up to this IP address previously. So I just click on all domains. So I've actually pre-created or edit the record for my domain name, which is nizamharjo.com. So I'm just going to show you an example here. Okay, what I have edited earlier. So as you can see here, I have free report that I've created earlier, and I have my domain name. So both record are actually pointing to the server here. Okay, so these are all ready to use. My domain name nizamharjo.com and freereport.nizamharjo.com. So let's say if you have 5 squeeze pages or 5 coupon pages or bridge pages, so all you have to do is you just click on add record and select A. Then you just click on you just type in any names you like. For instance, free coupon. You just hit any names you like, and you just click on. You just paste the IP address here and just click finish. So you can you can create as many domain names, as many subdomain names as you wish. Okay, you just add a new record in order to create as many squeeze pages as you like. Okay, so in this case, I just create one subdomain as well as one domain name to be pointed to my squeeze page account right here. So once I'm done, okay, I'm just going to delete this first because I'm just going to redo it for you so that you will see an example how I'm going to create it from scratch. Okay, as you can see here, this is the page that I've created just now. Okay, if I click on this link, it will show up this page. Okay, if I click here, now it's showing all these pages. I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to point this page to my domain, which is nizamharjo.com. So I just click on Captifire, click on custom domains, and okay, now we'll be redirected to this same page again. So I just click on new domain name and I just add in nizamharjo.com and I just click save. Okay, once I've created this page here, I can actually use, I can already use this domain to point to my squeeze page. And same goes with free report. So I'm just going to create another page. Okay, I'm just going to put here freereport.nizamharjo.com and I click save. So right now I have saved 2 different domains. One is my main domain name and the next one is my subdomain name. Okay, assume I have 2 different squeeze page for 2 different niche or 2 different businesses, so it's all up to you. So once I have all this set up, I just click on pages, okay, and I just click on publish. Okay, click on custom domain name, and I just clicked on my subdomain name, which is freereport.nizamharjo.com that I've just created. Okay, I click assign. So as you can see here, the name has already been updated. As you can read here, freereport.nizamharjo.com/page 2005. Now, you can rename this to any name you want. For instance, if you want it to be opt-in, okay, you can rename it to any names you want, and you just click the button here, okay, and just refresh the page. So as you can see here, freereport.nizamharjo.com/opt-in will actually take you to the squeeze page that I've just created. Okay, go back and then just click Twitter. Everything is working correctly. Okay, so this is just one of the example. So if let's say you have another business, if you have another niche that you would like to promote, for instance, okay, you have, let's say you are selling t-shirts in Teesprings, for instance. So all you have to do is you click on Captifire page and you just click on new page. Okay, once you are in this template page here, simply choose, okay, let's say I choose the first one. Okay, which design you decide. Okay, so I just click on this template right here. Okay, you can edit all these t-shirts. You can upload your own t-shirts, your own designs, and you can edit the text here. You just double click and you can type any text you want and just click save. Okay, I'm not going to change anything here, and I'm not going to change the secondary page here. Okay, and likewise, if you're not happy with the template here, you can simply click load template to choose other templates. Okay, without going back to the template page, template section just now. So if let's say I want to choose this template, I just click here. So now you have your discount squeeze page ready. Okay, so this is just an example. So once the page is ready, okay, and you have finalized everything, you have changed all these discounts, all this copy right here, and you can move, okay, to any position you like. Okay, now I'm going to click save. Okay, so once it has been saved, I just click close, and I just have to click on pages right here. Okay, I have 2 different pages already created. Okay, this is the latest page that I've created just now. Okay, so if you click on this link, it will direct you to the page that you've just created. Okay, so it works fine. Everything is properly done. So I just click closed. Now, I am going to show you how I'm going to publish it to my main domain name. So I just click custom domain and click my main domain name and click assign. So as you can see here, I have my main domain name / the name of the squeeze page. Okay, so you can also rename the squeeze page. Let's say discount, and just click the right icon here and just refresh, and you can view the page. Okay, so these discount squeeze page are ready to be used, and once the user click on get my discount code, they will be redirected to fill up their name as well as their email address. So as you can see here, the domain name is www.nizamharjo.com/discount. Okay, so this is just an example, okay? So you might not want your squeeze page to be directed to main domain name if you already have a website at this domain. So what I'm suggesting to you is it's better for you to just create a subdomain right here. If you have, let's say, 5 different squeeze pages to be created, so all you have to do is you just create a subdomain rather than the main domain, unless if that main domain is specifically used for your squeeze page. So if, let's say, you purposely buy the domain just to be used for your squeeze page, then it's fine. You can use your main domain name. But if, let's say, your main domain name is hosting your main website, then you cannot be directing your main domain to this IP address of Captifire here. But you can create a subdomain and have all your squeeze pages pointing to your subdomain, and your main domain will still show your main website. Okay, so this is just an example that I've created. I hope you understand how it is being done. And if, let's say, you have any questions, you can just drop me an email at nizam@imhero.com. Now, if you click on the link here, if you are interested in the software, which is only $47, please email your receipt to nizam@imhero.com, and I will give all these bonuses for free as promised. So feel free to log into my blog, imhero.com. And if you would like to find out more about the software, if you would like to find out more about how the software can help you to increase your conversion and opt-in rates, then you just click on free report, learn how to increase the opt-in rates and build high quality subscribers. You just click on the link here and it will redirect you to the squeeze page. As you can see here, just key in your best email address and I will email you marketing tips and free report on how to increase opt-in rates and build high quality subscribers. Now, this is not just a simple, PLR freebies and whatnot. This is a free report based on what I have learned from paid courses, from thousands of dollars of paid courses. So you might wanna, key in your email here just to get all these free tips that might help you to increase your opt-in rates and build high quality buyers leads. So that's all for now. Thank you and bye-bye.